This is a 1963 Cadillac Series 62 sedan. A little different than a sedan DeVille. Color is Benton blue. It's a mostly original car. It was given a little facelift back in the late 70s. The interior is still original. The drivetrain is all original. The one nice thing about this car is the air conditioner. For a 1963 car, the air conditioner really blows cold and gives you a very comfortable ride. This is a 1953 Series 62 four-door sedan. As much as Cadillac ever made a plain Jane car, in 1953 this car would be considered a plain Jane. It doesn't have air conditioning. It does have power steering. It does have a GM hydromatic transmission, but it doesn't have electric windows. It doesn't have an automatic headlight dimmer. It doesn't have cruise control or anything like that. This car was pretty much a basket case. And back in the late 80s, the person bought the car, bought another Series 62 sedan, and melded the two cars together to get the finished product here. This car I've personally owned since 1994, and it's given me exemplary service ever since then.